Writing a business plan is an important step in starting or growing a business. A business plan outlines the company's goals, strategies, and tactics, and helps secure funding and resources. Here is a step-by-step guide to writing a business plan. 1. Executive Summary. This section provides an overview of the business plan and should highlight the key points of the plan, including the business's goals, target market, competition, and financial projections. 2. Company Description. This section provides a detailed description of the business, including the products or services offered, the target market, the company's history, and the management team. 3. Market Analysis. This section provides an in-depth analysis of the industry, including trends, competitors, customer demographics, and market size. It should also include a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, to identify potential risks and opportunities. 4. Marketing and Sales Strategies. This section outlines the marketing and sales strategies that the business will use to reach its target market. It should include details on pricing, promotion, distribution, and sales tactics. 5. Operations Plan. This section provides an overview of how the business will operate on a day-to-day basis. It should cover topics such as production processes, supply chain management, and inventory control. 6. Financial Projections. This section provides a detailed financial analysis of the business, including revenue and expense projections, cash flow projections, and profit and loss statements. It should also include a break-even analysis and a description of the funding needed to start or grow the business. 7. Appendix. This section includes additional information that supports the business plan, such as resumes of key personnel, market research data, and legal documents. To write a business plan, follow these steps. Research and gather information about the industry, target market, competitors, and financial projections. Write the executive summary, company description, market analysis, marketing and sales strategies, operations plan, and financial projections. Review and revise the plan to ensure it is clear, concise, and accurate. Have others review the plan, such as business advisors, investors, or mentors, and incorporate their feedback. Use the plan to secure funding, resources, or to guide the business's growth and operations. Remember that a business plan is a living document that should be regularly reviewed and updated as the business evolves.